Hi. All right. You gotta tell them. Welcome to Wednesday.
Welcome to Friday.
It's Wednesday. It feels like Friday because Andre didn't have school today. Instead, he got all of this. So we're going to do a.
No, it feels like it's Sunday because I didn't go to school today.
That could be, yeah. I guess that Friday you would go to school normally. Good point. Anyway, it does feel like a Sunday because that's how long you usually wait to get your homework done. Anyway. Yeah, so we are doing a live feed today. Well, it's recorded. No cuts, no edits, no background music, nothing. Just pure homework fun. Yeah, it's a working title. So we're going to get started. And I want you guys to get the experience of what it's like to do schoolwork. And Andre started the first part of the first page yesterday.
Last night.
Right. And then I beat
Yeah, go feed it, bro. In idea.
Dave, I'm trying to work, bud. Thanks.
Well, I'm fine.
Yeah. All right, let's do this. We're making sentences tonight, boys. Working on the letter U's. Whoo! What's the next picture look like? Oh yeah, there's more than one book. Upton? Upton?
Upton stairs.
Upton must be the guy's name. And upstairs.
Upton is going upstairs.
Done. Write it. Done. Andre, we got a lot of pages to do. That's, yeah.
One left, one tattoo.
I'm going to give you a tattoo pretty soon.
What is tattoo?
Andre, it's a distraction. Let's go. Upton is going upstairs. Sounds like a great. Upton. That's what they chose for the letter U. Never met an Upton before, but if there's an Upton out there, you're popular when it comes to the initial short U sounds.
I spell going.
How do you spell going?
Ah!
Nice. Next. Oh, what's happening to Upton now?
Upton is
That's Upton again, man.
Upton is eating ugly.
Upton is eating an ugly. I learned what an ugly was. It's a fruit. Crazy. All right, charge.
Upton is eating an ugly.
Okay, Upton is eating an ugly.
Upton has an ugly.
Upton has an ugly. An ugly. Remember, if it starts with a U, you're going to put A-N before it. Great, write it. Charge. That's a big ugly. You put N, A-N. Nice.
I'm not putting the N.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna swap one more.
Okay. Make sure you don't eat it in the house.
Where do you want to go?
He's gonna go meet his friend.
Okay. Where your friend name?
Omar.
Oh, name Omar.
His friend.
Which friend?
Andre, we're getting distracted. Honey.
Question. So, Marie said, all of us can do the fencing. It's just Alberto. All right, she said to measure from where you want the fencing and come around, and then you get the fencing. When you measure, you count up, add them up and whatever, and then after that, you get the pipe them, and then when you get everything, you just call her and she said she'll make you mix cement. She'll teach you how to make some cement.
You know for baby?
Of course.
Okay.
She say link. She say you can pull them and link them back together. So even if you
Right.
short, you can pull it, link it back together, and then you get. So yeah, that's just what I got.
Okay. We're gonna do some measuring.
Yep. So she say if you have measuring tape on, I'm saying
Yep.
sure.
Alright, I'll go for my first.
Which friend you talk about, Dave?
We're trying to do homework.
Omar.
I know, but me just tell you what she.
Upstairs.
The one that we picked up to go to school.
Where am I gonna feel for him?
Because he's got to go back to town at 4 o'clock anyway for his appointment, so we'll drop him off on the way. Andre, where's your full stops? Hello,
What?
where's your full stops?
Slim.
Peeved.
Mm-hmm.
You okay down, Slim them?
Peeved.
When?
When you're ready?
We're doing homework right now.
When you're ready to go, huh?
Well, they're gonna wait here till almost 4? I'll find out. Great. Now, nice thing about this page, we're looking at the letter U in the middle, or as you guys would say, in the middle, but the middle. How do you? Let's read the top. What does it say?
The thing that I love about this day, you don't have to do.
Me too. No writing. We'll keep working on that.
You miss.
You missed.
No, you miss. Right
Okay.
over me. Dad, stop.
Come on, man. Andre, we got work to do. Ow, good. What's it say? I know, man. What does it say?
Boss.
No. What does it say? Let's look at the top. The word.
The word bun has the short U sound in the middle.
Good. So, read them and we move on.
Middle.
Middle.
Well, I called it middle.
Yes, you did. What do we got? Touch and say the word. Touch.
Boss.
Touch.
Touch and say the word.
Then touch it.
No, it says
Alright, I'll touch it.
touch and say
The name
of each
each.
picture.
Good.
Boss, rug, bug, juice, jug,
Mm-hmm.
cob, knot, bun, sun, mug, cup, puppy, brush.
Page is done. Yay. Oh gosh. Here we go.
Oh gosh. Oh, you know, some food do this.
Oh, because it said to. Jeez.
This word.
Oh, great. 131 to 135. Yes. Cool. Oh, last two. Done. All right. What we got to do?
Chocolate.
Shoes.
Choose a word from the set of words that rhymes
Nice.
with the word below.
Great. First word.
Fun,
No, don't worry about those words. Let's worry about this and then we'll look in there.
jump,
What?
jug,
Jug. So which one rhymes with jug? And you want
Mug.
to, good, write it, put a line through it, done.
Draw mug.
Okay, put a line through mug. Next one.
Smooth.
Some.
Some. Rum.
Rum. Yay, rum.
Oh wait, yes, it's rum.
It's up there. Where do you see rum?
Ah, rum!
I can't believe it either. They put rum in a children's book.
A yellow drink rum.
Moderation. Only on vacation. Those rhyme too.
No. Yes, I drink rum for vacation.
It's not about me, Andre. Put a line through it. Next. Moving on.
Bitter.
Butter.
Butter. Gutter.
Nice. Gotta write small, dude. They don't give you much space.
What kind of little ending?
I know, right? Crazy.
No. We have words. So. That's it. All I word fit funny.
Mhm.
That's it. All I word I fit.
Nice. Can you put a line through the ones you used so we don't use them again? Good. Gutter. Rum. Next one.
Hug.
Okay.
Hug. Hug. And. Hug. And mug.
We already used mug.
Hug. And rug.
Done. Mhm.
Not and hot.
Mhm.
Like hotel.
Kind of. A hut is like a little building, little simple building.
Hot.
Hotel has H-O-T. This is H-U-T, hut. But we should write it.
But we call it hotel.
Yes, you do.
Hotel.
It's kind of like got a little O sound to it.
Hotel.
But this is not a hut, it's a hut.
We put our hot, like we say hot, but we have to put on tail.
Okay, well, I'm gonna tell.
Hotel.
How about I tell you to write the word hut?
Not mug.
No?
Not hot. Gum. Gum. They should have the word bum.
They should have bum, but they don't.
Wait a minute. Hum.
Mm-hmm. Hum, like. I like. No, if you're humming, you gotta keep your mouth closed. Nice. Okay. I'm listening to you. I don't want to write it. You write it. Come on, dude. Andre, we got more pages to do. That'd be a fun game to play if we tried to talk to each other and only could hum. Not today, not right now. Let's go. Writing words.
When we're done, move over.
When you're done with your homework, we're gonna play the humming game. Wah!
Yeah, I have to talk to me. I can't open your mouth.
Andre, come on. We've got a lot of pages to do. You're welcome.
there's a tongue, you know?
Andre, write the word home.
They say, I know.
I know.
That'd be funny.
That was funny.
Glitter.
What?
Glitter.
Where you? I don't even know where you are, dude.
You forgot to say that. Wait. What the heck? Hum. Hum.
Dude, you messed up.
Not.
You're supposed to put hut, dude. Nice.
Thank you.
Come on, man. Next one.
Wait to get to 4.
My life. Yeah. Come on, man.
How you not better ask me nothing? See, ask if they want to plum.
I'm good.
You saying?
He's working right now. He'll have to wait till he's done.
Auntie, I put him on the table for you.
No, you're not eating right now. We have work to do.
When I finish.
When you're finished, I think we have plenty on the tree.
Another finish?
Walk away, Quinn. I'll distract him. Andre, look! Over here! Look! Sit. Let's go. Yep. 6-year-olds and homework. Andre! Come on. Yeah, you did. And it wasn't homework. Next word, dude. I can't play the hum game until we're done. It's okay. You're wasting a lot of time, dude.
You're the carrier.
Andre, we don't need a car sound. We need the rhyming word for the next one.
Cob-a-bub.
Look at the words that are left.
Cob-mug.
We already used mug. You gotta try a different one.
Cob-fog. Cob-fun. Cob-rod. Cob-rub.
Good.
Cob-rub.
Rub the club.
Like a cob-rub. Like a cob-rub. Like a cob-rub.
Yo. Yeah. Every day. Write the word rub, dude.
This egg, it could rub him.
Come on, Andre. Last one.
This one is easy.
What is it?
Son fun.
Done. Ha! Done! You weren't impressed by that? All right. Gotta make some sentences with about the sun. Andre, let's go, dude.
What? Not the sentence.
Andre. You're wasting so much time.
said his son is rising.
Fantastic. It's a beautiful sentence. Andre, no. Andre, no.
So we sit
No,
on
that's not okay.
So we sit on punch.
Okay, not in my house, we don't.
My rules. My rules for the house. Yeah.
Which rules? I'm not seeing no rules. You write rules?
Yeah, I'm right.
No, Andre. I set myself up for that one. I want you to write a sentence about the sun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. To what? Where
The
the
sun, dude. Sun.
yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look to what?
Andre, remember our goal is to get this done as quickly as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The boy is runs.
Andre, the sentence is about sun.
Is mesmerizing.
Or I.
It's a long word.
Not really.
Rise. ing.
We need to S first.
Rise. ing. Wait, that's not a long word.
No, it's not. Full stop. It's not a long sentence either, but we're going to count it. It's technically a sentence. Next one.
The boy is runs.
We could say the boy runs.
The boy runs.
Where does he run to? Okay, you're going to nearly hit your head on that table, dude. This is why we put...
The kid is asleep with me.
It's because you're not sitting on it appropriately.
Okay.
Put the 4 legs on the chair, you push your chair in, we write a sentence. Cool. Fantastic. It doesn't need to. The boy runs. Where does he run to?
School.
Okay, so the boy runs to school. Andre, the chair is done. Ha, the chair is done, and this is no longer fun. You're in. Cool. Andre. The boy runs to school. Let's write the sentence. Andre. I don't think you're trying very hard right now, and it's a little disappointing.
The boy runs to school.
Great, let's write it.
The boys.
No. When you get older, we'll talk about various subject agreements, but for right now, the boy, one boy, runs.
Runs. Let's spell school.
Really? C-H.
C-H.
S-C-H.
C-H. S-C-H-O-O-L.
Great, write it, full stop. I'm glad you can spell school, dude.
S-C-H-O-O-L.
Full stop.
School board.
Alright, easy sentence coming up.
I eat one in the morning.
Done.
I George, you take my right arm.
That's 5 words, dude. Write it, let's go. And you'd be done.
I love to eat one. I love to eat one.
I eat bun in the morning, that's 6, yeah. Okay, write something.
I love to eat one.
In the morning.
5 words.
Then write it.
I
Mm-hmm. Next one.
I love to have fun.
Let's change it up a little bit. You just did I love to. What else can we do?
I am having fun.
That sounds fantastic. No, I don't get it.
Can't. Oh, it's can't help me the least.
Really? Wow. Wow. Come on. Wow. Write the word. I mean, you could say, I am having fun doing my homework.
Yay!
Yay! I bet you can't. I bet you can't write that much.
Yeah.
That's 7
must
words.
say yeah with me.
Yes, I did. And then I said,
Yes, you didn't say yeah longer.
oh, okay. Next time. I'll do it on the next one. What do we? All right. I'm having fun doing my homework. You didn't say yay with me.
Wait again.
Okay. How about you write it and then we'll read it together and then we'll both do yay. I forgot I am, dude. Andre, I am. M.
I
You know how to spell having?
It is VVY.
ING.
But did I say ING?
Okay. That's just HAVING.
It is VVY.
No. HAVING.
It is
ING.
having
What are you having?
fun.
Let's write it. Doing what?
My homework.
I almost said it. Write it. Hello. You forgot doing.
I am having fun. My homework.
That's so silly. You forgot the verb. Hi, no, Andre, you need doing, dude.
Yeah, right. It's okay. I can't begin.
Yeah, but you can't put it before or after my. You have to put it before my. Doing my homework.
I am having fun. My doing homework.
That's so silly. Come on, dude. We're almost done. Which rhymes with fun?
Whoa!
Andre?
I am having fun doing my
Booing? You're booing? That's funny.
Well, now what are you doing?
Yeah, B's and D's, man. Sometimes they're crazy. Come on, man.
What is booing? Doing my
You want to spell homework? You probably write it a lot. Oh yeah, it's at the top of your book.
I know that melon.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm saying you could. Full stop. Full stop.
I
Full stop.
am having fun doing my homework.
That's so crazy. I've never booed anything.
Ready?
Now, where's your full stop?
I
Where's your full stop? Should we read it together?
What?
We're gonna read.
Ugh.
Ready? I am having fun doing my homework. Yay!
They didn't hear you.
Oh, I think they heard.
Only we did hear.
Maybe we should do it again with the next word.
No, this one there.
Again.
I
Am having fun.
Wait, you didn't say I with me.
You didn't say I with me. I am having fun doing my homework. Yay! Wow. Next one. Every day.
What's that?
That's your favorite thing to eat.
What?
It is. It's probably not your favorite, but we had it on the bread yesterday.
Melon butter.
Okay. Well, that's a sentence, but what else could we say? Do you love to eat butter?
Yeah! With that speaker, with all sentence.
On what?
Butter.
Yo! Alright. Don't work too hard.
What she say?
Mama, we'll see you later.
What she say?
You too. They're heading out. Butter, dude. Come on, we need a sentence.
She's going down what?
Down. Left us. Left you. She's gone down for left. She go left we. She's leaving.
When do you think?
They went to go find his friend. Andre, butter. Butter. Write a sentence about butter.
Call me.
No, we have work to do. He doesn't have a phone, remember? Hit mashed up. That's kind of funny.
So your phone still on so?
No, we dug it up and gave it a proper burial. Andre, butter.
So when you're
We're writing a sentence about butter.
like when you're buried, you go read on your go.
No, we just did that for the video. We didn't actually put it in the ground because it's got like chemicals and electronic and parts that probably aren't good for the little plants by it. So if we disposed of it, we brought it to
Oh, and it can blow up.
I mean, maybe, but we're writing a sentence about butter.
So
Andre, butter. Ask Dave. I don't know. It's his phone.
And they went with it.
I don't know. He wrote a sentence about butter with it. No. Andre, no.
Ah,
Let's go.
but, mommy.
Butter.
Mommy.
Butter.
Mommy.
Okay, your mommy cooks butter.
Mommy.
Andre, next sentence.
You're not answering me.
Because you're not writing a sentence.
Yay!
Gotta finish the sentence before we can yay.
I love to eat U-T-T-E-R.
On what?
Wait, you didn't say the letters with me.
That's because you're not done. You're not gonna tell us what you want to eat butter with? You just eat so butter?
Yeah. Nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Odd. All right.
You didn't say the letters.
I didn't know you were done. I thought you were going to put your butter on something. Are you done with the sentence? The next page is easier. You could. The next page? No, it's not. You just got to fill in the missing letters. And they're already on the other page. Yay!
U-P.
Done. Next one. Your favorite!
Don't say my favorite.
Ooh, my favorite!
No, it's my favorite.
No. I thought butter was your favorite.
And bun.
Butter and bun? Do you put butter on your bun?
Yeah,
Ooh,
that is fantastic.
does it? Okay, I'll have to try it sometime. Ooh, my favorite's coming up next.
Bug. Lad.
Spell bug.
You eat bug.
No, I just said they're my favorites. And my favorite's coming up again.
Puppy, my favorite too. And bug, my favorite.
Okay, can you spell puppy?
Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y.
No. That's putty. You want pup-y.
Oh. P-U.
P-P.
Tyler, no. No, for sure. P-U-Y. Puppy.
Nice. What's the next one?
Look, the side the word. Look on the side.
Andre, you're going
The
the wrong
side the
way.
word underwear.
Ah, that's hilarious. That is a funny looking underwear.
Underwear.
That's not, is that your? A pants you don't.
Yes,
That's interesting. I mean, I guess technically it's underwear.
But we got it bunted.
That's true. All right, they are synonyms. Hmm? I think that's a jug.
D-U-G.
J-U-G.
J-U-G. J-U-G. Jug.
Next one.
D-R-U. M.
Mm-hmm.
Jump. D-U-C-K.
Nice. Ooh, do you know the last one?
S-A-N.
You know what that is?
S-L. There.
What? No, it's a slug.
S-L-U. Slug. S-L-U.
Slug.
Slug. S-L-E.
U.
Did I say you all along?
What's the last letter?
S-L-U. Slug. K. Slug. C. Slug. P. Slug. 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 J.
G.
Oh, G. Slug.
Close the book. This one's done. Yay! Oh, you didn't say yay with me.
You didn't tell me to say yay.
Say yay.
Yay!
You gotta close the book first.
Yay!
Yay! Hi, next one.
Phonics.
No more phonics.
No, language arts.
Language arts, 12 to 15. Oh, oh, cool. Easy stuff. You're just coloring. No, you're not even coloring. You're just drawing lines. Oh, we can color. Oh, easy stuff. You don't even have to write a sentence. Yay! I'm just so happy. That's my. Okay. Thank you.
No. Come here.
Andre, what?
Come here.
Why?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No.
No, I don't want my glasses. Oh, thank you. They're beautiful. Yay! Alphabetical order.
Are you just scared of me?
I'm scared of your hands in my face, yes. So you gotta follow the alphabet.
You know.
Thank you.
I think you know.
No, you gotta start at letter A, dude.
Huh?
Start at letter A and do the alphabet.
A,
B,
B,
C,
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, R.
That's it. What is it?
A cow!
Good. Write the name of your animal friend.
Tell me coat today. There's a coat.
You okay? You could draw the udder. Maybe it's a boy cow.
Michael?
Maybe it's a girl
I
cow.
don't know. He said, "Where's the cow titty?"
See it. See them there.
Oh, today.
Okay, they're there. Or it's a boy cow. That's a conversation for another time. Hi, write each set of letters in ABC order. Andre, no, you gotta do the bottom part. He's on to the second book, yes. Alright, look at
This
those.
I lost page.
Yes, and then just a few subtraction problems and we're done.
12 to 15.
Alright, I look at letter, which one you want to look at? Oh yeah.
You know what say? It's actually only anything that we find one to go that wrong not to
Okay,
Menu.
okay. You gotta put the letters in.
Menu.
Then do it.
Like you put the letter them in the order. Like you write it.
The
You
A,
write
B,
letter
C.
them in the A, B, C.
Okay. So
No.
you got some drool here, dude. Other side. Other side. Other side. That side, yes. Loud.
Oh, no, Julie.
I know. You're just drooling over your homework. Ah, come on. All right. So what?
And O.
And no, good.
O.
A lot of people have to actually like go through the whole alphabet to do this. So if you can do that without that, that's pretty fantastic. Ooh.
And W. X. X. V. W. X.
VWX, good.
Vex. Do you know VWX is Vex?
This I know. Do you know the next one?
H-I-J.
That's probably my favorite. I don't know why, but it probably is. So we should write it.
I'm a first guess. Me get to write it.
Well, you can't. You don't get it right till you write it, right?
What?
You don't get it right till you write it, right? Next one.
T-U-S. Test. S-U-T.
Q-R.
S-T-U.
S-T-U.
T. I said T-U.
Huh?
But he said T-U-S.
S-T-U.
S-T-U.
Ooh.
Stew.
Stew.
K-I. Okay.
H-I-J.
K.
L, dude. I don't know why they make L's like that, but it's an L. Alright, that's not rubber. Andre, I don't need to clean up the table when you're done. Let's go. Last one on this page.
K I
H I.
H. May I guess?
You shouldn't guess.
L J. No.
HIKLJ. That doesn't. Okay.
A J L I K J L K.
HIJLK. No.
No.
Try again.
L K. I was listening to
HIJ.
K L.
JKL. Good. Hi. Cool. Your friends are here. We're doing homework in here, so you guys
Let
need
me
to.
see.
Hi, Andre. Thanks, Dave. Andre. Yes, they're real people. Dave.
Evening, Tyler.
Good evening. Long time no see. When did you get so skinny, man?
Evening, Tyler.
Good evening. Wow. Dave, I want the dogs out of the house. Thank you. Sorry, he's doing homework right now. Highly sophisticated stuff, like ABC order. Sooner he gets done, the sooner you guys can play. So maybe Dave should get the dog. Hi, Dave. No.
Cool.
Yeah, I know. They only look sweet and
I
innocent.
did K L.
Uh-huh. Spot. She's gonna come for you. Spot. Dave, there's another dog. You better hide. You better hide. Dog's talking to Spot. Yeah, I know.
Oi, go.
I know. He's playing dead.
A
Dave, watch his arm. He cut this today. Because he tried to jump over zinc.
L O P Q.
Cool. What is it?
That's a word.
It's a bird. How do we spell bird?
What? Write the name of your animal friend.
Uh-huh.
What?
Bird.
B-A-R-D.
BIRD.
Let's put B.
Not a D. That's a B. Good. Almost done. 2 more pages and a couple subtractions, and we're done.
Wait.
Okay. Where are you going?
Write the name
Oh, you never
of
wrote the
your
cow?
animal friend. C. Why they
Cool.
give it a long line there and just call me right?
I don't know. Next one. Okay. Well, let's read what the names of the pictures are.
Carrot, banana, apple,
Okay.
apple, banana, carrot, pineapple, mango, orange, pineapple.
Cool. Write these words in ABC order. Draw each picture in the correct order also. What?
C-A-R.
Write these words. Write these words in ABC order. Oh, so which one comes first? Car, ant, or bat?
Car.
Starts with a C. We're only looking at the first letter.
Ant.
Ant. So ant, you're gonna write in the first one.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. No, not in the box, on the line, because you're gonna draw a little ant in the box.
And ant.
You're gonna draw a little ant in the box.
Make it on your hunting.
Okay. Beautiful. What comes next?
But.
Good. And the last one?
C.
Mm-hmm.
Car.
Mm-hmm.
Never get it right.
Cool. All right, now we got duck, cat, and bag. A D, a C, and a B. Which one comes first?
C.
A D, a C, and a
C.
B.
Cat.
Well, we have A. What comes after A?
B.
Oh, one starts with a B, doesn't it? Want to do something funny? What do you call that?
A bug.
Bog. Where I grew up in Minnesota, they call it a bag.
Only a big.
They call it a bag. You call it a bog. Bog.
Bug.
Bag. Spot, haven't you hurt yourself enough already? Yeah, careful of his arm, dude. Yeah, he zinked himself.
Which part?
Dave, what do you mean which part? You can see which part.
Over
there.
When
I got home today. So yes, we need to take time with him, and I don't know why you're having him jump up and down and romp all around. Come on.
Oh.
We need a bag.
I don't know. Where they call it when you grow up?
Big.
A big.
Big.
What is a? Oh, big.
Big.
Big mean like you're big.
I want to say big, like we say big. Cool. What comes next?
C.
Mm-hmm.
We can't draw cat, you know.
Well, then make it just as simple.
A cat and I write all that.
Yes, bag, cat.
So may I try cat only, you know. Come here, cat. Nada.
Yep. Perfect. Almost done. What's last?
Dog class.
Mm-hmm.
We should almost done one time.
You should almost done. Like we're almost done.
But How could I get this done?
Right, but here we are now, and we're almost done. Simple duck, 2 little feet, and a little body, and a mouth, or beak.
I want this
Come on, man. We're almost done.
head. And to clip them. And lay them. And in body.
Mm-hmm.
And a little tail. You see a little tail there?
Mm-hmm.
You look a little tail.
Yay! Last part. Hi. Your friends are out there. We're not your friends, Andre. Dave, we're trying to work. You don't eat on my couch. Dave, you don't eat on my couch. Thank you. We're almost done. Okay, what comes first?
Pen. Ring.
QR, ring.
S.
Good. That's a crazy looking sun.
Yeah, right?
Why did the sun have sunglasses on when the sun's the one making the light?
Wait, sun and sunglasses.
Think about it. We wear sunglasses to protect our eyes from the sun, but in that picture, the sunglasses is wearing this, or the sun is wearing the sunglasses. But the light is coming from inside of it. I wonder what it sees through its glasses.
Probably don't see the world.
That makes sense. We're almost done.
You can move this one.
Yay!
Is sun not done?
The sun not done.
Sun done.
Sun done.
Your sun not done.
Last one.
May I tell you where your
The sun is done.
May I tell you where your sun done, sir? May I tell you where your little sun finish? Tell her now your sun this.
That's a nice sun. Last one. This.
This one is going to be easy because
Yeah, I think you can.
writing on my
I know. They said to draw it. Well, you gotta draw it.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay. How about you do it?
Ten, and then I'm gonna do like this. Cross and go around. Yes.
You see it?
The orange one? It's not on the side of the house. You check under the tarp. What? Sonya's, apparently Sonia says you guys left it out on the road.
Done.
Why are your shoes
Done,
not in the
done.
house?
Done, boom.
Nice. Yee.
Guess what? I'm not real done.
And now you're done with book number 2. Yee.
Yay!
Yay. Last one. Only
8,
few.
6, 8, 6.
I know. I can't believe it either.
Awesome.
1, 2, 3. Only 4 subtraction problems and we're done. Okay, complete these on the number line. Great. Start at the number 10. Yo. Guan. Here.
First, medial 0. We jump from 0 to 10.
Uh-huh.
And then, take out 6. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 4.
Dude. That was fast.
I don't know it's so fast.
You better do the next one just as fast.
We're 12.
Mm-hmm.
And then, take away 4. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is 8.
Done. 2 left.
Those were easy.
So easy.
I'm afraid you know what.
You better hurry because we're almost done.
You know.
We're almost done.
School,
I know.
because I did not give myself extra work.
Oh, okay.
I'm missing right off a number them fully.
Okay. Well,
So
you could write.
little bit of them.
Mm-hmm.
No, I forgot to write 0.
I love this beat.
0, 1,
Get them used.
2, 3,
You used this before?
5.
Yeah, they don't work as good as I like them to. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I might have to get different ones.
Hmm?
They don't work as good as I thought they would, so we might have to get different ones.
All these.
Jump to 11.
They're kind of squeaky. Like I don't know. I don't know. When you get a phone, you can try them. Or remind me tomorrow.
And the answer is 9.
What? What number did you start at?
You know, get the
Why'd you start at 11?
DJI one.
Probably.
All the one.
No, the answer is right.
What number did you start at?
10.
Where?
Number 10.
Yeah, but you went all the way to 11.
All the camera shaped like one square. You have one long stick. How much for that camera?
Well, that's cool. I don't know.
What me don't know.
There's several different brands that make that type of camera. What's the answer?
That's one. It's 8.
It's 8. One more, and then we're done.
This is a wrong answer. Sorry, I put the wrong answer there.
Yeah.
And then I forgot 0.
Yeah.
See how long we take food on,
I know.
right?
Right? Every day. No, it's not as much. But today, I'm going to capture this magical moment for you guys.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Great.
Wait, I'm at 10. I'm at 0 and jump all the way to 11.
Yay. And then what?
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 6.
Yes, you do.
Yay! I'm finished.
You can close the book.
Yay!
Yay! Do you want to thank our viewers for watching your entire homework session today?
Yeah.
They get a round of applause.
Huh?
They get a round of applause. They deserve it. You're right. Thank you. You're not going to clap them? Yes. Andre's done it. You guys have made it the entire homework session. What are you going to tell them, Andre?
Thank you for watching.
You got to tell them, not me, buddy.
Thank you for watching.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Huh?
Oh yeah. You gotta hit the circle button.
Bye, guys.
Hit the circle button.
Bye.
Andre.
I said.
No, Andre. The circle button. No. Oh yeah, that's it.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.